Let's do some number talks. I'm going to show you a 3-digit number. You see if you can tell me what this 3-digit number is. What's that number? That's right, 325. Now, there are several ways to show that number. One of the ways that I can think of is to write it, of course, in word form. So if I were to spell it out, I would start off with a 3, and then to let somebody know what position it's in, 100. And then I put the next two numbers together. I don't say 325. I would say 325. And that's my word form, 325. So if I was thinking about this number, what's another way I could write this number? I could do it in expanded form, right? So I know that this 3 is in the hundreds place. So I could say 300. I'm showing how much that number is worth. Plus, this 2 is in what position? It's in the tens position. So 2 tens makes 20. Plus, the 5 is in what position? It's in the ones place. So how much is 5 ones? 5. So 300 plus 20 plus 5 makes what? 325. And let's see, another way I could show this number is by drawing it out. Showing, let's see, so I need 3 hundreds. If I was going to draw the 3 to show hundreds, I would do the big blocks. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 hundreds. These are worth 100 apiece. And then I have 2 tens. I could do 1, 2. And then I have 5 ones. I just draw little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes 325. And I could also show it by how much what position it's in. I could say 3 hundreds. H stands for hundreds. And I could say 2 tens. T stands for tens. And 5 ones. 0 stands for ones, of course. So that's a basic way to show that number. Some other ways I can show that number. Oh, I got one. What if I do this? What if I say that I have 3 hundreds and I don't put any tens down? So I'm going to leave my tens at 0. I don't put anything down. But what if I say 25 ones? Would that still make that number? Sure would. Because, look, 3 hundreds is still 3 in the hundreds place. I don't put anything down in the tens place. 25 ones still makes 25. So I still have 325. What if I do it this way? 300 plus 25. Does that make that number? 325. See, there's a lot of different ways to show that number. Ooh, that's a good one. What about if I don't put any hundreds and I put 32 tens? And how many ones would I need to make 325? If I put 32 tens, how many ones would I need? I would need 5, right? 5 ones. So does that make 325? Yep, it does. 32 tens and 5 ones makes 325. That's a good.